Parkinson's disease affects 1 in every 100 Americans over the age of 60. Along with its debilitating physical effects, many patients will develop mental decay. Tonight in Healthy Living, we look at a protein in the blood that may be key in discovering which patients have the highest risk for developing dementia. 54-year-old Michael Young had never ridden a motorcycle before, but he got a brand new cruiser last year. An impulse buy, but for Young, it was now or never.
I was going to have Parkinson's disease. I knew that I had a limited amount of time to do certain things that I wanted to do in life.
Young was diagnosed in 2008. He had been having tremors and a difficult time moving, hallmark symptoms of the disease.
I have good days and bad days. I have good hours and bad hours.
Parkinson's disease expert Dr. Alice Chen-Plotkin says 80% of Parkinson's patients who've had the disease for 20 years or more develop dementia. She adds there's been no way to tell how at risk any given patient might be. In the Perelman School of Medicine at the University of Pennsylvania, researchers examined 150 different proteins in the blood. They found one called epidermal growth factor, or EGF, that may predict a patient's cognitive function.
What we found was that the people who had low EGF levels were much more likely to develop dementia within the next 2 years, okay? Meaning kind of 8 times more likely than the people in the other groups.
Chen-Plotkin says if doctors can determine a patient's dementia risk, it could speed up clinical trials of new therapies. It can also help patients prepare for what may lie ahead.
One quote that I'm fond of repeating, and it's something that Muhammad Ali said, is don't count the days, make the days count.
A good thing for all of us to remember. The EGF blood test is not currently available except to patients involved in research studies. Dr. Chen-Plotkin says follow-up studies on the EGF blood test will end next year. Clyde?